Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Wii and files so the install goes smoothly. Power on the Wii and check the system menu version. You need a compatible firmware, typically 4, 3 or earlier. Insert a FAT32 SD card, 2 GB to 32 GB, and copy a safe backup of any Wii saves. On your PC, download the specific Super Mario Eclipse image and the required patch tools. Once done, make sure file names match the installer instructions, because the loader depends on exact names and folders. Next, install and patch the game image so it runs correctly on your Wii. Launch your homebrew channel or USB loader and open the installer. Select the Super Mario Eclipse ISO on your PC or SD. Apply any required region or compatibility patches. These fix save and control issues, and you should verify checksums to confirm integrity. Once patched, transfer the final image to the SD or USB, placing it in the loader's expected folder. Make sure the loader configuration points to the new file, then exit cleanly. Now you'll launch the game and verify everything works before a full play session. Boot your chosen loader, select Super Mario Eclipse, and play for a few minutes to confirm graphics, audio, and controls are stable. If you see freezes or black screens, try switching loader settings or reinstalling a different iOS revision. These often fix stability. Also reinstall the patch if needed. Make sure to keep backups of the original ISO and your save files so you can restore them quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.